Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily rename a file on your Windows 11 on notebook or PC you got. So what you want to do is when you're gonna have like website here, and not website but a file, you want to right click on a file, and then you're gonna have next to the copy is going to be rename. Click on the rename, and then this is me. Write it and press enter. And this is pretty much it how we do it, and this is how we can rename a file on Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, but definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you. So when other people will come here, and yeah.